Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll guide you through the steps to activate the Instagram Professional Dashboard. This feature provides you with easy tools to grow your audience and maximize your earning potential. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Instagram app. Begin by launching the Instagram app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into the account you want to convert to a professional account. Step 2. Go to your profile. Tap on your profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen to access your profile. Step 3. Access settings. In your profile, tap on the three horizontal lines, the menu icon, at the top right corner. From the menu, select Settings at the bottom. Step 4. Choose Account. In the Settings menu, look for and tap on the Account option. Step 5. Switch to Professional Account. Scroll down and select Switch to Professional Account. Here, you'll be offered options for a creator or business account. Choose the option that best fits your needs. Step 6. Complete your profile. Follow the prompts to fill out the necessary information for your professional account. This may include connecting to a Facebook page, selecting categories, and adding relevant business information. Step 7. Explore the Professional Dashboard. Once your account is converted, you can access the Professional Dashboard. You'll find this option at the top of your profile. Tap on it to explore the tools available for managing insights, promotions, and more. Step 8. Utilize tools for growth and earnings. Take advantage of the resources offered in the Professional Dashboard. Use analytics tools to track your performance, create promotions to reach wider audiences, and explore monetization options if you are eligible. Remember, activating the Professional Dashboard on Instagram opens up many opportunities for engagement and growth. Make sure to regularly check your insights and adjust your strategies accordingly. Thanks for tuning into our channel. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful content.